these turnips. This is a bad example of how to keep your turnips. When you buy turnips, you should cut off the leaves because the leaves suck up the water from your turnips. I have to talk quietly. Wash these. So first I cut them into 4. Then peel the skin off. Hi everybody, sorry it's kind of a mess. I'm in the process of making pizza. Please check out the recipe for those. I'm gonna make this recipe real quickly. Okay, so the turnips are going to be wet. Dry them off. I'm just gonna cut these into smaller pieces. Yes. Okay, then you just put these on a nice plate. Okay, something like that. Okay, I can't see that, I guess. Okay, something like this. Okay? So you just put some olive oil on, then you sprinkle some garlic powder on. Some pepper. And some Parmesan. That's it. It's super easy. This is my turnip carpaccio.